For the student design competition prompt this year, we're acting as a consulting firm for a plant in Iraq. We are charged with the task of doing a retrofit for a toppings refinery, which means that we are tearing down the existing plant, rebuilding in order to meet environmental regulations and also hopefully save money for the plant. The project that we're working on is using the crude oil and one portion of that and creating lots of different products, including diesel fuels, gasoline, and different chemical products like benzene, toluene, and xylene.
We split it currently into 3 different processes that we're all working on. Paige is working on the reaction process to create all the reactions. Kathleen is working on the extraction process to extract the gasoline from this big amount of products that are consumed. And then I'm working on the distillation process to separate the benzene, toluene, and the xylene.
So right now we're working on a lot of different aspects of the design. Firstly, we sized and costed all of our equipment. We did that using a couple different sources and made sure that all the materials we would use for our equipment is compatible with the components of our process and so on and so forth.
The economic analysis kind of analyzes how much the plant will be making after 10 years of production. We looked at it for both feed streams under 2 different tax regions. One was 15% and the other one was 35%. And roughly under one, we're making about $173 million after 10 years.
And then lastly, we looked at the process safety. In order to that, we looked through the inherently safer design aspects, which is like minimization, substitution, and just simplifying the process in order to make sure that we are running good safety standards and safety processes